Live from ABC 7, this is News at 6.
The Collier County family is suing a restaurant for their daughter's death. 21-year-old Jona Bejko was driving home from a birthday party at Senor Tequila back in October when she crashed into a canal and died. She called her mother from the sinking car to say goodbye.
She said, "I'm sorry, Mama, I'm drowning. I love you." And that night still haunts me every single day.
Thank you for watching the station that always gets you more. I'm Christy Soto.
And I'm Megan Miller. The young woman's family says the restaurant should be responsible for letting her drive home drunk. ABC 7's Ryan Arbogast gets you more on how they're fighting for justice.
Justice for the Bejko family is change. We asked them today if this restaurant along Livingston Road in northern Collier County is 100% responsible for their daughter's death. And despite the young woman driving drunk, their answer was a resounding yes.
I was with her on the phone. I called her, she picked up. She was in the canal. She was crying. She knew it was her last moments.
Drowning inside this car as it sinks into a canal near Vineyards Community Park in North Naples. Back in late October of last year, 21-year-old Jona Bejko used her last breath to talk to her mother.
She said, "I'm sorry, Mama, I'm drowning. I love you." Then I never heard. I heard the water.
Harta Bejko lost her firstborn that day. A toxicology report from the Collier County Medical Examiner says the young woman was near unconscious behind the wheel with a BAC of 0.3, nearly 4 times the legal limit. Her family tells us she was celebrating her 21st birthday at her old workplace, Senor Tequila's restaurant on Livingston Road, before she got in the car to drive home near about midnight.
Listening to her taking her last breath, it still haunts me every single second.
The family, 6 months later, now stands in front of cameras with a legal team. They believe that this popular Mexican restaurant violated the Florida DRAM shop law by serving the young woman when she was employed there and underage, as well as that night when they should have known Jona was an alcoholic.
She was in such a condition where it was visibly obvious that she was not just intoxicated, she was highly intoxicated.
Attorney Pedro Echarte claims not only that management is 100% to blame, but also that Senor Tequila's staff turned this young, successful scholar into an alcohol abuser.
It's not only at fault for serving her that evening, it's at fault for making her the habitual alcoholic that unfortunately she was.
The lawsuit filed Wednesday has one simple goal. The same reason this grieving family spoke with us this afternoon.
My family is here today to seek justice for our daughter, Jona.
We reached out to Senor Tequila's today to see if they would comment on this lawsuit. And we spoke to a manager inside this northern Collier County location. They told us they will not be speaking on any pending litigation. I'm reporting in North Collier County. Ryan Arbogast, ABC 7.
Jona's blood alcohol content was 0.3. That's 4 times the legal limit of 0.08. Experts say that kind of blood alcohol level can cause confusion, vomiting, and drowsiness. If you drink any more alcohol than that, you're likely to get alcohol poisoning. In extreme drinking cases, you could end up in a coma.